coffee.
No better way to start the day. What's that?
Coffee is like a kind of powder,
Yeah.
super protein. And so they use a lot for porridge or like this to make breakfast that are super powerful. Seems chocolate and banana, but it's filled with chocolate and banana, of course.
Then I need to get it as well.
It's a sort of Canarian flour made from roasted grains, typically wet of certain waders of mines.
Wow.
And of your benefits.
Wow. Lots of benefits.
Yeah.
So no better
The
way.
start food of the Canary Island. This is really something Canarian.